Hey guys, Mr.III here, and we're gonna find out if the Sylvania headlight kit really works after 2 years. Stay tuned. Alright, and if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So, what we're all been waiting for to see the results. 3, 2, 1. Nah, that's not actually the headlight here. I'm gonna quickly show you what happened. So, going over to how this thing really looks, we have haze again. So, long story short, the car actually hit the van over here on one side and the headlight had to be replaced. So that's how we have an old one right here and a new one on the other side. But this makes an awesome video to show you the comparison. And as you guys can just check out from these angles, yeah, this kit did not really work. Kind of disappointed. And also it does say lifetime warranty, but I don't know if I want to try something else. If you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment in the comments below. And I'll go try it out. If you know something that really works or something that's new on the market, and I'll actually try it for this headlight. But yeah, this is how it really should look. Sparkling new. I'll do a side by side there, second, and right there. Alright. Disappointed that this kit didn't work, but it gives me another project for the future. Thanks for checking out the channel, guys, and have a good one.